Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we're going to show you how to use Affirm card with Cash App. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you actually add or use your Affirm card here with Cash App? Well, doing so is actually fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up your Cash App mobile app here, and you want to go ahead and start adding a bank or a card into your Cash App account. So just to give you an example, this is directly from the Cash App support page that they currently have. So in this case, you want to go and tap your profile icon, which is usually at the top right of your screen. And in this case, you want to go and choose the option that says link banks. Now, you want to select link bank under the linked bank section. And from then on, you could go ahead and choose or search for Affirm card. Now, in this case, by the way, if you have the option to add a card itself, you could go ahead and add or choose the add card option or debit card option or credit card option there. And from then on, you should be able to enter the details for it. So that includes the card details and a bunch of other details, like, for example, the expiration date, the zip code, as well as the CVC or CVV at the back of the card. But usually just follow the on-screen steps on the add or link bank section and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.